Hello guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. For those who are new to my channel or watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Sulasana and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you are always notified whenever there is a new video up on my channel. So, today I'll be talking about some products, some of my favorite products. So, this video is totally gonna be upon a mini haul video, you can say, or maybe my personal favorites of a particular brand. So, it will be a very normal sit down and talk video which I am going to share with you all, and all the products I will be talking about today are tried and tested by me. This is totally a non-sponsored video, so I am not being paid at all for making this video. This is my personal recommendation for you all, so that you can try these products, say whatever your reviews are upon this, and you will definitely love it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have got a lot of products from Nykaa recently, and these are some of the products that I recently got. But then among these, some of the products that I used before, even before, and I reordered it because I really loved the product, and so I reordered it again and again. And I keep coming back to these products which I absolutely love, and I found the perfect results after using these products. So today I'll be talking about a brand named Pilgrim. Pilgrim is a Korean brand, and as you all know, the Korean people have such a glowy, a dewy, a so fine skin that उनको देख के ही it's like this kind of rush inside us. So Korean people have very good skin type, and Pilgrim is totally a Korean brand. And I have came across this product a while back, say about a year or so, and I have been using that product since then. I totally love the concept of their products. Their products are absolutely cruelty free, and you can always like see the good results. And I can say you this much, that if you don't find a good result in this product, you will not see any kind of reaction to your skin, any kind of rashes to your skin. I personally, I have a very sensitive skin. Like, I generally don't apply anything suddenly out of nowhere. I find out, I read about it, I make decisions about it, that whether should I use, whether I should not use, and then I come upon a decision that whether I should use it or not. Then also I try it firstly on any of my other body parts like hands or legs, and then if I see that there is no reaction, and then only I apply it on my skin. So these products are absolutely cruelty free, and you can like totally recommend these products for yourself, for your family members, for anyone you like. I will be talking about every product. I will be mentioning down all the prices on the screen, because if I am not aware of the price range, I will definitely mention it on the screen somewhere, so you can definitely check it out. And I will also link down all the links to these products, so that if you are willing to buy it, you can totally buy it from the link. So the first product that I will be talking about is a Pilgrim mist. This is a face and body mist. As you can see, this is White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with Camellia and Witch Hazel. This product is absolutely amazing, like amazing. You can say that you can feel the difference. Like, it's not that a difference, but then whenever you are out, you can. This is a very travel friendly bottle. This comes with a pump and spray in this way, and this comes with this cap. So this is very travel friendly. You just need to keep it in your bag, and whenever you are traveling for long hours, or you are tired, you don't get the chance to like wash your face, you feel like uncomfortable, you feel like washing your face, but then you cannot because you're out, or you have your makeup on, or some other reason, you can totally use this thing. You just open it and spray it all over your face, and the instant feel which you get is like amazing. It's like amazing. It's so refreshing. It's so refreshing that I love the product. I completed this whole bottle in about maximum 2 months. I used the whole bottle, and I have also, this is almost over. I have also restocked it again. I have not even opened the seal for this product again, but then this is amazing, just amazing. And one more thing that I forgot to say you all is that Pilgrim has a Pilgrim code. Pilgrim brand has a Pilgrim code with it, which says that it is 100% vegan. It is cruelty free, no animal testing, tested by friends and family, no parabens, no sulfates, no toxic 20 chemicals, 100% safe, FDA approved. So this product is totally a big thumbs up. This is priced at rupees 300 rupees for this much, and I think this is totally a thumbs up, because when it comes to your face and skin, you can always depend on a product that is about in the budget range and that is totally you can rely upon, because this product is just an amazing product. So next I have is this volcanic lava ash body scrub with Yugdugu and white lotus. This also has that same formula. Even for this, I am already using a bottle for this, and this I have not opened it yet. This is I have a stock in this. So this comes in a very nice formula. I will show you. It just comes in this kind of formula. You have this pulley over here, for which I am so very sorry. I am very bad at taking this scrub. So with this pulley, you can just take it in a generous amount, like, and scrub all over your body. This has a very thick texture, but then once you like mix it with the skin, it is very smooth and very gentle on the body, and it is amazing. Like, it is amazing. One of the body scrubs that you can totally rely upon can be one of the Pilgrim products. Amazing, amazing, and this would really be a product if you try it once, you would definitely come back to this again, and I can totally guarantee you upon that. This is priced at rupees 650 rupees. The quantity for this is 200 grams, which is quite amazing, because 650 rupees for a body scrub of 200 grams is amazing. This comes in a very big tub, and this is very convenient and very user. So the next product that I will be talking about is a face serum. So those who know me know me. I am an absolute sucker of face serums. I just need face serums. Those are my life. You can say that those are my life, and I just love face serums. So the first face serum that I ever used in my life was a Pilgrim product, obviously. It was a night serum, and I just absolutely fell in the concept of using serums after using it for the first time. So this is this bottle, which is almost over. If you can see, this is almost over, and for which I have already stocked up on it. And this serum is vitamin C night serum with hyaluronic acid and white lotus. This comes in a bottle of 30 ml. All serums basically come in a bottle of 30 ml. The size of the serum is almost the same. So the price of the serum is 550 rupees. This product is, what should I say, it's just amazing. This has hyaluronic acid, which is very necessary for our skin to maintain the pH level, to maintain the glow in our skin, to maintain the elasticity of the skin, and it is just amazing product. Like, when you use it at night, even if you don't use any cream after that, you just use the, and this comes in a very nice drop formula. You just take 2-3 drops, and just you're good to go. You just gently massage it on your skin, all over your skin, and even if you don't use any moisturizer or anything, and if you are a very dry skin type or you are a very oily skin type, you can totally go for this product, because for the dry skin type, this serum absolutely keeps your skin so moisturized that when you wake up in the morning, you will feel like, oh my god, is this my skin? Because that gives that अलग सा ग्लो which you get from inside. You'll be like amazing. And for the oily skin types, I don't know how this serum has the working process of the whole thing, but then for the oily skin type, I have tried it on the oily skin type also. For the oily skin type, it just gets soaked in with your skin, and it is not very oily, chip kind of. Within half an hour of use, it gets soaked up in your skin, and you can always like roam around with it. It's like कोई किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपने क्या यूज़ किया है. Your skin will not feel oily, your skin will not feel dry. It will give an amazing glow, and I just love using this serum. पहले मैंने इसका डे सीरम जो है वो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया था, तो I use this while makeup as well. मैंने इसको before makeup I used to use this serum as हाँ मुझे पता है कि ये नाइट सीरम है, but then I used to use it before using my makeup, and my makeup used to sit so well in my skin. It looked so natural, it looked so amazing. I totally fell in love with the concept of this serum. And I got this around 3-4 months back, and it is still, I have a bit of it. And 3-4 महीने बाद भी when I got it recently, I got it in 550 rupees. The next product I will be talking about is a product that I recently got, is a day serum. The day serum of that same thing, it is with vitamin C as well, and this has hyaluronic acid and kakadu plum. This doesn't have white lotus. In this serum it has white lotus in it, and this has the kakadu plum, which is very good. I have used this serum as well. I have used it for 2-3 days now, and it comes in a different type of packaging. Like it doesn't come in a dropper form, it comes in a pump form. And this is a serum that I love it. I know it's a bit on the pricier side, because as compared to the night serum, it is a bit pricey. And हो सकता है बहुत लोगों को हो सकता है कि नहीं इतने प्राइस में हम लोग नहीं सीरम यूज़ करेंगे, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को आपको ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि हाँ फोर्स करके लेना ही है आपको या आपको यूज़ करना है. इट इज़ टोटली ऑन यू, एंड इट सूटेड माई स्किन टाइप, एंड आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू एज a person, as a personal opinion. You are totally free to take your own decision. I cannot guarantee any kind of reactions if your skin faces. Please apply it once or twice, and if you feel any kind of irritation, any kind of rashes, please stop using any product. May it be this one, may it be the other one. You can see, you can take recommendation from people, but then don't be harsh on your skin. Your skin is a very sensitive area, and don't be harsh on it. Just use it once or twice. Feel if you are feeling कि हाँ मुझे irritation हो रही है, मुझे जलन हो रही है, don't use it. Just stop using that serum or that cream or that lotion, whatever it is. So just be normal to your skin. So this serum is of rupees, as I was telling you, this is a bit costlier, like on the pricey side. This is for all skin types. This comes for rupees 1000 rupees. So yeah, the other one, the night serum, came in about 550 rupees, and this comes in 1000 rupees. I know हो सकता है, but then I love the concept because कि दिन को यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग. तो what happens that the night serum which I talked about, that is in a bit oily texture. The formula is a bit oily, but then when you use this is your day serum. दिन में आपको क्या होता है कि आपको बाहर जाना होता है, आप मॉइस्चराइजर लगाते हो, आप सनस्क्रीन लगाते हो इसके ऊपर से, so that you don't feel too much of weight on your skin, and you don't feel that you sweat a bit, you go out, the radiation of sun, so that you don't feel that all the things. This serum is absolutely in a gel based. इसका कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ही पतला है, आप मतलब पानी के जैसा ही है इसका कंसिस्टेंसी. यू कैन टोटली यूज़ दिस वाइल गोइंग आउट. ये मुझे अच्छा लगा, लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस, दैट इट इज़ like thinner than the night serum. I like it. Like after using this, if you are applying your moisturizer and your normal skin, like whatever the sunscreen and everything you are using, you will feel good. The skin feels good, the skin feels moisturized, the skin feels like hydrated, and everything. You will just love this product after use, and I fell in love after using this product. I have with me is the Argan Oil Hair Mask. So this is the product. So this is Pilgrim Argan Oil Hair Mask with White Lotus and Camellia. This again comes in the 200 ml का tub. Same वही formula है इसका भी, and I have used this a lot of times and oh my god, इसकी जो smell है. और मैं और एक चीज़ बताना आपको भूल गई, पिलग्रिम के जितने भी सारे products हैं, if you are using it, maybe मुझे पता नहीं कि वो आपकी स्किन के ऊपर कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, आपको पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा, क्या नहीं. हाँ, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो दैट हाउ डू यू लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट इफ यू यूज़ इट. बट अगर आपको कुछ पसंद ना भी आए, यू विल जस्ट लव द स्मेल, you just love the fragrance of all the products. Oh my god, like seriously, itni sundar smell, how? So this comes again with the same thing. This is a very gel like consistency, and abhi hi mere sath mishap ho gaya almost. So this comes in a very gel like texture consistency, the cream texture which is there. So what you need to do while using this is you get a spoolie with this as well. You get a wooden spoolie with this. So what you need to do is take in a generous amount of this product, apply it from your roots to the tips, keep it for about half an hour or so, and after that just wash your hair with your normal water. Don't shampoo it immediately after use. Just wash your hair normally with water, and your hairs are going to hang. That's to me, your hair is gonna feel so silky, so smooth, so soft, with an amazing smell, with an amazing odor. Oh my god, I love this product. मेरा ये go to है, मतलब आप लोग समझ लो कि मुझे ये कितना पसंद है. So this comes in a 200 ml का box, and this costs the same 650 rupees as well. The next product which I have with me is the Pilgrim Retinol Night Cream. So recently I have used this product. I have not used this product before. I have ordered it soon with this Nykaa parcel, and this comes in such a cute packaging. Oh my god, hard for this. So this is a retinol night cream. This comes in a very cute thin tub, I can say. This is also for all skin types, and this is a 50 grams ka bottle, and this costs 650 rupees as well. So even for this you get a spoolie of wooden spoolie, and then you have this opening thing. You open this thing, and this is the texture of the cream. This is the texture of the cream. So after you, मैंने इसको जितने दिन भी यूज़ किया है, I have used it with the Pilgrim Night Serum as well. मैंने नाइट सीरम पहले लगाया है, फिर मैंने ये क्रीम अप्लाई किया है, एंड oh my god, सुबह उठ के मेरी स्किन ऐसी लगती है, आई फील द होल डे कि मेरी स्किन इतनी सुंदर पूरी दिन क्यों नहीं लगती है, बिकॉज आई कैनॉट एक्सप्लेन इट इन माई वर्ड्स. I just love the way it makes my skin feel, and I am in love with this product, and I can say it from my side that ये मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट हो गया है. एंड मेरी ये एक बॉटल फर्स्ट बॉटल है, लेकिन इसके बाद आई विल कीप कमिंग बैक टू दिस नाइट क्रीम एंड दिस नाइट क्रीम एंड दिस नाइट क्रीम एवरी टाइम. आई थिंक मेरी इतनी इमोशंस आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही है कि मैं कितनी पागल हो चुकी हूँ इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए. इनफैक्ट सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए पिलग्रिम के, बट देन ये कुछ मेरे फेवरेट्स हैं पिलग्रिम में भी, जो मैं आपको बताऊँगी लास्ट में. that which are the products of the Pilgrim range. Those are my favorite, absolute favorite, and I am never gonna stop using that. Can you imagine when I can say that I am never gonna stop using it? So I will tell you my favorites at the end of the video. So till then, stay tuned. The next is a body care range. Okay, so इसके बारे में बात करने से पहले आई वुड टेल यू, Pilgrim has this is a Shea Cocoa body lotion. Pilgrim has a product of body butter. Okay, so you can totally use that product during the winters because उस टाइम में बहुत आपकी स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है and बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है मेंटेन करना, and you can totally go for the body butter. I cannot show you the product because I have already finished that tub and वापस से विंटर्स आएंगी तो मैं उसको डेफिनेटली बाई करूँगी, बट देन अभी समर्स में उसको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ बॉडी बटर एंड अ बॉडी लोशन, एज यू ऑल माइट बी वंडरिंग. सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. बॉडी बटर हैज़ अ वेरी थिक कंसिस्टेंसी. व्हाट इट डज इज़ लाइक, जैसे बटर की कंसिस्टेंसी होती है जो आप खाते हो, बॉडी बटर की भी कंसिस्टेंसी एकदम वैसी ही होती है. इट मॉइस्चराइजेज योर स्किन, इट मेक हिम फील हाइड्रेटेड, इट कीप्स योर स्किन वेरी हेल्दी. बट यू कैन नॉट यूज़ इट ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन बिकॉज समर सीजन में क्या होता है कि आप बहुत स्वेट करते हो, आपकी स्किन बहुत चिपचिप रहती है, एंड उतनी थिक मॉइस्चराइज़र को आप अगर अपने स्किन के ऊपर लगाओगे तो आपको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. एंड सो यू कैन टोटली स्विच फ्रॉम बॉडी बटर टू बॉडी लोशन ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन एंड अगेन टू द बॉडी बटर व्हेन इट्स द विंटर सीजन. सो वो बॉडी बटर की स्मेल, मैं जब लिटरली बाथरूम से निकलती थी ना, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि क्या लगा लिया, इतना सुंदर स्मेल आ रहा है. Everyone had the same reaction. So you can imagine the level of good quality fragrance it had in it. And the same fragrance is there in this bottle as well. Just that इसकी thickness जो है ये थोड़ी सी पतली है और उसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी थी वो थोड़ी सी बटरी एंड थिक कंसिस्टेंसी की थी. एंड दिस, I just love it. So I am already using this bottle and I have a backup for this as well. I have not opened this bottle yet. So मेरे पास दो अभी है almost. So this is without any more saying of I love this product, I love this product. I know you all are wondering कि ये तो सारे products के बाद बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ I love this product. But because actually I love all the products. Then मुझे just ये पिलग्रिम ब्रांड से प्यार हो गया है. दिस बॉडी लोशन इज़ अ शिया कोकोआ बॉडी लोशन विथ एलो एंड कैमोमाइल एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स. दिस इज़ अ बॉटल ऑफ 200 ml and this comes for ₹450 which is quite convenient for you to buy and use it. And sorry मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो रही है, लेकिन I hope you all don't mind because I am talking about a thing which you can all benefit from and you will just thank me later कि thank you Sylvie for suggesting me this amazing brand and these amazing products. So next I have with me is a hand and nail cream. This is from the Pilgrim Red Wine collection. This is from the Pilgrim Red Wine collection. Pilgrim के एक तो नॉर्मल वेरिएशन, नॉर्मल रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि ये ग्रीन वाले पैकेजिंग में आते हैं, और एक न्यू जो लॉन्च हुई है, न्यू नहीं बहुत टाइम हो गया है, 1-2 महीना हो चुका है, जो वो न्यू रेंज लॉन्च हुई है वो है रेड वाइन का कलेक्शन. इनकी पैकेजिंग मतलब आपको बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रेड वाइन पैकेजिंग में भी, मतलब रेड वाइन कलेक्शन में भी आपको दिखेंगी. उसमें जस्ट उनका थोड़ा सा कुछ डिफरेंस रहता है कि उनमें रेड वाइन का कुछ एडिट रहता है एंड ये पर्पल कलर की पैकेजिंग में आती है, पर्पल नहीं वायलेट कलर की पैकेजिंग में आती है. सो यू कैन टोटली यूज़ दिस एज वेल. अगर आपको आप एक देख सकते हो, एंड मैंने जब इसको एक मंगाया था कि आई नीड टू टेस्ट कि हाँ कैसा है नॉट, आई जस्ट लव दिस प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. इनकी स्मेल भी और भी सुंदर है. सो दिस कम्स इन अ वेरी क्यूट छोटू सा पॉकेट फ्रेंडली, यू कैन सी दिस पॉकेट फ्रेंडली थिंग. दिस इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. मुझे तो इसकी मतलब इतनी सुंदर स्मेल, मतलब इतनी मैंने इसको एक्चुअली आई विल नॉट लाई बट देन मैंने इसकी प्राइस देख के मैंने ना इसकी ml नहीं चेक की थी, मतलब इसकी क्वांटिटी नहीं चेक की थी, मैंने डायरेक्टली ऑर्डर दे दिया था. तो मैंने इसकी प्राइस देख के जो एक्सपेक्टेशन लगाई थी कि ये थोड़ी सी बड़ी सी ट्यूब आएगी, लेकिन ये बहुत छोटी, मतलब मेरी हाथ की बड़ी है. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कितनी बड़ी है. फिर मेरे हाथ की भी इतनी बड़ी नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक की है। तो दिस इज़ फॉर मेन एंड वुमेन बोथ, ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर फॉर एवरी स्किन टाइप एंड एवरीथिंग। बट जो भी हो, दिस इज़ द रेड वाइन हैंड एंड नेल क्रीम विथ शिया कोको बटर एंड एलो, द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ। सो द डिफरेंस इज़ कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, मतलब द ग्रीन रेंज जो है इनका, तो ये है द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ जेजू आइलैंड, ठीक है। और ये कोरिया के हैं, एंड ये जो है ये है सीक्रेट्स ऑफ विनोथेरेपी, एंड ये है फ्रांस के। सो इनमें थोड़ी सी डिफरेंस आ सकती है आपको स्मेल में, आपको प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने में, बट देन द होल कॉन्सेप्ट एंड द होल प्रोसेस इज सेम।